Hello guys, this is Christopher Garcia, Machorro, with Machorro's Construction. Today we're going to talk about the CMU WALL project. This is going to be a 60-day project. It's not going to be too long. I had divided this project into, but the milestones for this project are going to be the follow. Between day 1 and 5, we're going to set up site and get the materials. Between day 6 and 15, we're going to do foundation and base. Between day 16 and 25th, we're gonna build the CMU wall. Between day 26 and 30, we're gonna do grout and strengthen. Between day 31 and 40, we're gonna finish exterior and add the utilities. Between day 41 and 50, we're gonna do site cleanup and final checks. And the last milestone is gonna be between day 51 and 60. We're gonna do the project closeout and the handover. Now I'm gonna talk more about it into details for each section. For the site prep and mobilization and footings and foundation, the three main points for site prep and mobilizations are clear and set up the construction area. Then we're gonna bring in the necessary materials and equipment. And then after that, we're gonna prepare the site for upcoming construction tasks. For foundation and footings, we're gonna construct a strong base for the CMU wall. We're gonna complete the foundation work to support the wall. And last, we're gonna ensure that the footings are well established for stability. Then for the next phase, we're gonna do exterior finishing and utilities added. We're also gonna do the site setup, the site cleanup, and final checks. For exterior finishing and utilities added, the three main bullet points that we're gonna cover is gonna be apply finishes to the outside of the wall. We're gonna install any necessity utilities such as pipes, wires, or in this case, rebar. We're gonna ensure both aesthetics and functionality are considered. After that, we're gonna jump into site cleanup and final checks. For this, we're gonna remove the construction debris and clean up the site. We're gonna conduct the final inspection to catch any remaining issues. And last, we're gonna verify that everything meets the required standards. Now for our next phase, it's gonna be the CMU wall construction complete. Also grounding and reinforcement installed. For this, the CMU wall construction complete, we're gonna build the CMU wall layer by layer. We're gonna follow the construction plan and layout. We're gonna check and confirm the completion of the entire wall. After that, we're gonna jump into grounding and reinforcement installed. We're gonna fill in the gaps of the CMU wall cells with grout. We're gonna install any additional reinforcement for added strength. And the last thing we're gonna do at that phase, we're gonna enhance the structural integrity of the wall. Then we're gonna jump into the project closeout and then finally the handover to the final approvals. For the project closeout, we're gonna finalize the project documentation and records. We're gonna complete the administrative tasks related to the construction. The last thing we're gonna do at that phase, we're gonna prepare for the official closing of the project. And then once we're done with the project closeout, we're gonna hand over and final approvals. And this consists on efficiently transfer to the completed of the wall to the owner. We're gonna obtain the final approval and getting signed off. Conclude the project with the owner's acknowledgement. And then this is just a little site work diagram. This is gonna be a route. If you guys could see right here, we have the trucks going in on the right side, and we also provided with some signs saying that it's construction ahead right here, and then I have one right here. Then this is gonna be the fence right here, and we're gonna have the trucks going in this way and coming out this way. That's phase one. For phase two, this is when we're gonna be actually installing the wall, bringing in the concrete trucks, and it's the same route. It's just this is gonna be the second phase, but it's literally the same route. Now, right here, this is gonna be our critical path for the 60-day for the CMU wall, and this is gonna be the schedule for the whole construction of the CMU wall. Well, that's it for the presentation. If you guys have any questions, I'll be free. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions, any concerns that you guys have.